Connect Magico 9-in-1 boot key via USB Type-C. Press button to select mode for iPhone 4 DFU. Release. Connect Lightning adapter board. iPhone 8P powered on. Connect Magico 9-in-1 boot key. Auto Enter DFU successfully into seconds. Test powered on iPhone 11. Connect Magico 9-in-1 boot key. Wow! Auto Enter DFU mode into seconds. Test off iPhone XR. Connect Magico 9-in-1 boot key. Wow! Fast Auto DFU. Test powered off iPhone 13. Connect Magico 9 boot key. Amazing. Auto DFU without button press.